Hello once again. I am back with another video review of my A330 kit model. Previously I reviewed Finnair kit model that is available to purchase on ecartmodels.com. I have mentioned links on the description. I had also placed a link on my blog where I have put free models to download. Now let me review my next inline kit, and that is Aer Lingus A330-303 in its new livery. It is operated by Ireland and its registered number is EI EDY. Here I present you some photographs of the model once assembled from the kit. It is a beautiful model and is very elegant and realistic comparing with other A330 Papermodel kits available over the internet. As you know, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Here I present you my model in Aer Lingus A330-303, and I would like to thank specially Papermate from Hong Kong. I found him in a forum, papermodelers.com, and he is very nice guy. He gives genuine comments about paper models, and he builds amazing paper models. So let's see the photographs that he has provided me, and I hope you guys like this video and share it to as many people as you can, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and more videos. And I am also going to release some free models, so do stay tuned and keep coming back. And I have also made some videos and that you can see on my playlist. Thank you.